Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. And today, I don't know what I want to do. It's just been on my mind that my dog is not listening to me, and it doesn't really make sense. So my dog is outside, my cat is outside, so I have no pets to hang out with. My two stepbrothers are upstairs playing Zelda Breath of the Wild. I really want to get the game. So yeah. I can't believe that game is free, I think. I don't know. But they don't let me play. They only let each other play. And Xbox 360 is just connected. So I cannot play on Xbox 360, but I can do some videos on my Xbox One with that. Original Plus. So, hey, Stella. Stella, come here. I'm gonna call my dog. Stella. Stella. Oh.
Sit. Sit. Okay.
This is so cool.
Speak.
Speak.
Good girl. High five. Lollipop. Okay. Okay. Good girl.
Stella, come here. Come here, Stella. Stella will do anything for a treat. Stella, come here. Come here, girl. Stella, Stella. Okay, Stella, come here. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, girl. No, don't leave me. No, Stella.
No, Stella.
Just, Stella. Hey, girl. Come on, Stella. Stella. Stella.
Wow, I need a water.
Stella. My dog does not listen whatsoever. So I don't know what I want to do. There's always possibilities. My dog is reckless and pretty crazy, but we will make it work. So yeah, What the heck? Wait, how do you use it? Where did he put it? Where did he put it? Where did he put it? Chris, where did you put it?
I didn't do nothing with it.
Yes, you did. It went like this. I think it was like those weird air things. Oh, hey, Stella. Stella, come here. Come here, girl. Okay, sit. Hey, Stella. 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 My dog never listens to me. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I don't know what just happened, but oh my goodness. So yeah, see you all later, and bye-bye, Spike Army.